It's been about a month since I've placed my first vending machine. I'm going to let y'all know how much I made and my final take on vending exchange. First, uh, let's talk about vending exchange. So, I talked a little bit about my experience with vending exchange in a previous video, but there's more now. And I will say to anyone thinking about using their service, just be okay with losing money. If you're okay with the fact that you can lose hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, then by all means, go with vending exchange. But I put in about $1,300 and I did not get placed. Long story short, the first location I bought from them, I get there, they said they wanted a drink and a snack. Delivery day comes, can't fit two machines, ask for a combo machine, and I can't return the machines I just bought. So I ended up placing my drink machine in storage, and then the other machine is actually in my apartment complex. They were nice enough to let me place that machine. I basically had to beg vending exchange for credit, for money back. They gave me credit. They gave me $400 worth of credit from the $1,000 that I spent because they felt bad about the experience. If you really felt that bad, you should have given me my money back or full credit. But I'm not even going to go there. They gave me $400 of credit, so basically I had to continue using vending exchange. I waited a while for a location to come up that looked promising. One popped up a couple weeks ago. It was an office building that said they wanted a drink machine and a snack machine. Perfect. I had planned on buying another snack machine anyway. I go out, meet the manager of the office building, take measurements, and I tell her, okay, yeah, both machines will fit here. And she said, oh, I thought we were getting one machine, just a combo machine. My heart sank at that moment. And I said, oh no, it said on the form that y'all wanted two machines. Y'all wanted a drink and a snack machine. And she was like, okay, just send over pictures of the machine and your product list and let me know on delivery date. I start coordinating things with my delivery guy. I email her back about a delivery date. She emails me and says, hey, we decided to go with someone else. Thank you. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, like my heart just drops. I'm sick. Like I literally just lost all this money. And I'm thinking it's because she wanted a combo machine. So I don't know who puts in the information in vending exchange. I don't know if it's a property that does it. I don't know if it's someone at vending exchange. Both times that I have used vending exchange, the information has been inaccurate. So I call the guy who I bought the machine from and let him know what just happened. He has a service where he places machines, and his placement service is just that. It's a placement service. You're not buying leads. And I should have gone with him the first time, but I wanted something quick. I was being impatient and cheap. He was a little bit more expensive than some of the leads I saw on vending exchange, but with him, it's guaranteed placement. If a location would have said, hey, that's, I wanted this machine instead, then he would have continued to look for a place where I could place my machines. He found me a location pretty quickly, and I'm hoping to get my drink machine and another snack machine placed in the next week or so. So I'm really excited about that, especially because I've heard that drink machines make more than snack machines. Which brings me to how much my snack machine made me in a month. When I placed the machine, it was definitely on a whim. So there was no sending them a product list and trying to see what they prefer. I was just really trying to get out the product that I had that was meant for the other location. So I had to kind of learn and see what this location liked. And after about a week or two, I was really able to tell what sells well here at this location. After 1 month, I've made a little over $200 from my snack machine. I think that's actually pretty decent, especially considering that, like I said, the products were not meant for this location. The first location I had was a senior living facility. So I bought snacks based off of that. The apartment complex I live in an area where there's a lot of bars and clubs. So we have a lot of younger 20 somethings, but we also have families with small children. Totally different demographics. I know now what to fill the machine with, and I think next month will be even better. I will definitely keep y'all posted on my vending business journey. Thank you for watching, and see y'all next time.